Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you exactly how I got 3.2 million views on TikTok. And so this was a brand new account, brand new store. Did this all organically, like it was all free, no ad spend. So by the end of this video, I'll give you a whole template for hooks that you can use in your videos. Because like the first 2 seconds of the video are extremely important. So you need to be hooking people's attentions. And by the end of this video, you'll see exactly how I got 3.2 million views. But before we start, like one little tip. A lot of people were asking like, how am I supposed to be getting 1,000 followers? And because I can't have the link in bio, so how am I supposed to be selling? My new take on this is basically this. Go on a testing spree. Try to be testing a bunch of products all at once. Like, don't make the store, just have a bunch of accounts for different products and basically keep testing product. Like, test 5 products at one time before you make the store. The product that hits 1,000 followers the fastest is the product that you should be sticking with. So that's the one that you can add the link in bio for. So this is a new strategy I'm using just because like it's speeding up the process of finding viral products faster. But if you have a business registration, you can just add that to your TikTok and it's going to allow you for a link in bio. And then from there, if you know the product for sure is going to do good, then you can just test it immediately and make a store for it. But quick story though. So I was in the kitchen the other day and I was just recording videos for this product. And I remember I was looking at my brother and he was watching like a match or something. I was looking at him and I'm like, bro, I'm going to make this product go viral. And so I don't think he remembers this, but I remember this. So I'm like, bro, I freaking said it. So I'm going to freaking do it. And if I don't do it, my ego is going to be hurt. So I'm like, the product is for sure going to be viral. So this is exactly what I did to make one of the videos go viral. And the first thing that I did was basically go on TikTok, find a video that has a similar product as me and see why that video went viral. And obviously this means that you have to find a video that went viral in your niche. So I found this video that got like 2-point-something million views that has a similar product as me. And I wanted to basically see why that video went viral. And so after like studying that video, seeing why it went viral, reading all the comments, I'm like, okay, I'll recreate the same exact video as this, but I'll have my own little twist on it. So what I did was I almost made the exact same video as that product. And basically I just changed the text on the video. And so if you look at the pinned comment right now, I have a cheat sheet that I'm basically constantly updating. And this has all the best hooks that I found on TikTok. So if you include these in your first 2 seconds in your video is most likely going to do good because those texts, usually you see them on viral videos and they hook people's attention. So you know how their attention span is just so bad, bro. Like the first 2 seconds, their attention just goes down quickly. So if you're able to hook their attention in those first 2 seconds, then you're able to keep them watching and your watch time would be higher. So again, I made a video that's similar to the one that went viral before from the other person. And I put one of those texts in the cheat sheet in that video. And so what this does is that it just increased the watch time on the video and it got people more engaged. And so this increased the comments, it increased the likes, it increased the watch time. And then from there, the video just went viral. But just a disclaimer, this does not guarantee your video is going to go viral. Like, I've honestly used these texts myself, and some of the videos get like 10K views. Some of them get 100K views, but like usually none of them like flop. But it's because I always try to make sure that I include at least one of the 5 ingredients that make sure that your video goes viral. So if you watch my other video about do this to make your video go viral, I've basically outlined 5 ingredients that you need to have in your video. And then that basically ensures that your video is going to go viral. So if you don't have any of these, it's not going to go viral. And the text it's not going to help you. But if you add the text, it's going to at least keep people watching. So don't be thinking and relying on these texts thinking that it's going to get your video to go viral. No, it's the video, bro. The video itself is the one that's going to be doing basically all the heavy lifting. So again, the whole strategy behind like getting 3.2 million views is I just found a video that has my product and video that like went viral, 2-point-something million views. See why it went viral, read all the comments, make a similar video, add one of those texts in that video, and that's literally it. But then the second thing that I did to make this video go viral was that I had multiple accounts for the same store. So basically, let's say your store name is Black Paper. Let's just say the first account that you would make is called Black Paper. The second account that you would make is called Black Papers. And then the third account you would make is it's called My Black Paper. And by the way, this isn't 100% confirmed that it makes your video go viral. Like, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are going to disagree with this, but for some reason I did this and one of the accounts, it literally had 0 views for the same video that I posted on another account that got 3.2 million views. So I don't know if it because like it was shadow banned or something, but it's just ensured that it wouldn't put the blame on, oh, like my skills are so bad I can't make a video. It would basically show that if your video is good, it's most likely going to do good on one of the accounts. But if it doesn't do good on all the accounts, then it's not that good. But if you made a video on one account and it didn't do good, but it had one of the five ingredients for going viral, then it's just going to keep you thinking that this thing is not working and it's not good. But if you have more than one account, it's going to make sure that there's a higher chance of you going viral. Does this make sense? I hope it is not so confusing. But one little tip is that don't be posting the same video from your camera roll to all 3 different accounts because I think TikTok like it notices that. So try to go on InShots, go on Snapchat and save the same video, save it on a different thing, and then just like have one video to one account, another video that's very similar to the second account, third video that's almost the exact same thing, is just a different save. to the third account, and basically so on. But again, this isn't the thing that's going to make your video go viral. The video itself, if it has the 5 ingredients, is what's going to make it go viral. So make sure you have one of the 5 ingredients, and if you don't know what they are, just watch my other videos. Super cool. And then the third thing is that I just kept posting videos, bro. Like, there's no secret to this. I tested more than one video. It wasn't like my first video went viral. I know some people on Twitter, some people on YouTube, they were like, my first video went viral and it's so crazy. But this was not my first video. I kept testing more and more videos, and basically eventually something hit. And I know some people are going to be asking, like, does it matter if you use hashtags? Does it matter when did you post it, like the time? Does it matter about this and that, like all those little tactics? It doesn't matter, bro. What matters is the ingredients, is the viral ingredients. So if you don't have one of the 5 viral ingredients, it's not going to go viral. And if you don't have a good text that hooks people in, it's not going to go viral. But obviously the ingredients are higher than the text, because I've seen some videos that went viral but they have no text. It's because the video is really, like, it's extremely strong in terms of the ingredients. And the last thing is that people usually ask me, like, how do you supposed to get 1,000 followers so I can put the link in my bio? And once again, like I said in the beginning of this video, that you should be having a bunch of products to test before you make the store. So test a bunch of products before you make the store. Whichever one that gets the 1,000 followers is the one that you should be sticking with and make a store for it. But how are you supposed to be getting the 1,000 followers? So the way I would do it is keep trying to post a viral video. Try to post a video that has one of the 5 viral ingredients, that has one of the texts that are in the cheat sheet in the comments, and then basically include a call to action in your comments and pin it that says follow me. That's it. And then most likely people are going to be following you. If people don't follow you, then there is no demand for the product and you should be looking for a new product. One last thing is that you shouldn't be thinking that going viral is going to make your business into $1 million business. Like, that's not what's going to happen. You need to be consistently knowing how to go viral, because one video that goes viral is not the one that's going to, like, get you to 10K per month. So if you learn to consistently go viral while at the same time knowing how to make videos that not only go viral but videos that actually sell the product, then that's going to ensure that you're going to be getting sales. Especially with the fact that now a lot of people are getting into TikTok organic, knowing that, like, it's a good opportunity. A lot of people are doing scammy stuff, bro. Like, some of them don't even fulfill the orders. So people themselves are getting skeptical with buying from e-commerce stores. So make sure you know how to go viral consistently, and you know how to sell in your videos and make them go viral at the same time too. So this is all I have for you today, bro. I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe, okay?